What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. Sorry, I was just a bit distracted.
My hair is actually total garbage today.
Anyway, today we are doing more Subaru things because I gotta go get parts. We're installing this today, which doesn't actually look like much, but if I remove all this, then it'll look like something. This is a Cobb intake. It's a short ram intake. I did not get the heat shield because I plan to build my own, because I just feel like $135 is a bit too much. Plus, I want to cut expenses in places where I think that I can be capable enough to build my own stuff. So we're going to be doing that. We got to take apart things first before we can install this. If we come over to the car, I'll bring you guys with. I need to pull the bumper because there's a little like airbox thing behind here. I need to remove all of this junk here and get all of this stuff out of the way as well. But that should be it. Now, I still can't drive this car because I don't have roof trim. And actually I can drive without roof trim, but I need to plug up these holes here. If you didn't watch the video where we removed the roof racks, go and watch that. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, start to remove some of these bolts. I'm gonna try to take off this first little snorkel piece, and then from the stuff behind the bumper and the airbox and filter here, sensors, stuff here. So yeah, let's get to work. Alright, got this out. Wow, this was actually so easy. Wow. We're already done. Except we won't be done if I lose that screw, so better hope that doesn't happen. That should be good. Alright. Now we're pretty much done. I'm just going to go ahead and snug up some of these clamps here. Took maybe 15 minutes to do all this. So yeah, it's done. We removed all of this. Somehow it was so much easier than installing an intake on that car. But yeah, we're done. But we're not done. So we're not actually completely 100% done because this car is an Accessport, and we can tune this car to a Stage 1 Plus tune. Now, currently I'm running on 91 octane, so I'm only going to do a temporary flash with the intake. When I get 93, I will do full flash with the Stage 1 Plus 93, but for now, I don't want to run the 93 tune because I'm not actually on 93 fuel. So we're going to go and do that. I don't know if my battery is going to last the whole time, but we'll see. So yeah, and then we can start it up, hear how it sounds. Okay, so I don't see Stage 1 Plus as an option here. I might need to go ahead and download something, but I'm going to just go ahead and assume that Stage 1 also accounts for the intake as well. So we're going to go ahead and start up the car and see what happens. We don't have any error lights, at least for now. And this seems to be pretty normal. Yeah, not looking too bad, a bit noisy, but nothing that's, you know, unexpected.
So, I'm starting to get a bit of a bad habit of thinking that I'm gonna charge my camera and then do an outro later, and then I never get to doing the outro until I actually edit the video. So, yeah, that's really fun. But that is going to be the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed. I will give some more information on the heat shield stuff in another video. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, go ahead, leave a like, comment below, ask me questions, do whatever you want there. And also make sure to subscribe if you're new for more Subaru and Corolla updates and uploads and stuff. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Goodbye.